Now come to the ceramics material composites. Sorry, ceramic matrix composite. So what here we are having ceramics as a matrix. You know what is ceramics? A brittle material or ductile material? Could you define it? Whether ceramics are brittle or ductile? No idea.
Ceramics are brittle.
Yes, it's brittle. Good. So ceramics are brittle materials. Okay. So here we are, and if we talk about the metal are mostly having ductile materials. So yeah, ductile materials. Okay. So it is just opposite. Here we are having the metal matrix means ductile material as a matrix, and here we are having the ceramics means we are having the brittle materials. Okay. So matrix. What do you? Yeah, matrix. Ceramics materials. Example: the silicon carbide, alumina. These are the example of the ceramics. And though we are also zirconia, boron carbide. They all are just example of the ceramics as well. Okay, so examples here: the SiC, and what are the same things? We have twice CiC. SiC. Okay, so silicon carbide matrix with the silicon carbide. Okay. So it was very good. Here the same thing was added as a matrix, and same thing was used as a reinforcement. That's why it is named as a SiC. That's SiC. So here silicon carbide is a matrix with silicon carbide as a reinforcement. The application part is space shuttle, turbine blades, biomedical implants.